Shri Parashakti Vidyala CBSE Class 4th Subject English.
Good morning students, welcome to 4th standard English class. Now we are going to see grammar chapter 2 kinds of sentence. Okay, now let's see book exercise. See page number 8. Test yourself, use only pencil. Okay, state whether the following sentence are assertive, interrogative, exclamative or imperative. Okay, listen. First one, imperative. Second, assertive. Third one, imperative. Fourth one, assertive. Fifth one, interrogative. Sixth one, imperative. Seventh one, exclamative. Eighth one, exclamative. Ninth one, interrogative. 10th one, exclamative. 11th one, assertive. 12th one, interrogative. Okay student, take page number 9. Rewrite each sentence as a question. Rewrite each sentence as a question. First one, is Roman a gunning boy? Second one, was Piku in time today? Third one, shall we go to the park now? Fourth one, have they finished their work? Fifth one, Ninu get good mark this year. Okay, section B. First one, do house live on grass? Second one, does he sit on front bench? Third one, do mosquitoes spread malaria? Fourth one, two lazy boys fail in the examination. Fifth one, do they wear warm cloth in winter? Okay student, listen. Take page number 10. Section C. First one, does Misha come here daily? Second one, does the lion rule the forest? Third one, does the sun rise in the east? Fourth one, does she love dancing and singing? Fifth one, does Deepavali come after Dushkara? Okay. Section D. First one, did Manu tell him the truth? Second one, did you teach the grammar? Third one, did he tell a lie to his parents? Fourth one, did the peon ring the bell on time? Fifth one, did she get up very early this morning? Okay student, Roman 2, page number 10. Rewrite each sentence as first one a negative, second one negative question. Okay, A. First one, the bus was not late. Second one, was not the bus late, ending question mark. Okay va. Second, B. First one, Jim has not a new ball. Second one, has not Jim a new ball, question mark. Third one, the boy. First one, they have not gone out. Second one, have not they gone out, question mark. Fourth one, first, girls were not in the class. Second one, were not girls in the class, question mark. Fifth one, first one, they are not working hard. Second one, are not they working hard, question mark. Sixth one, first one, Binni cannot speak Bengali. Second one, cannot Binni speak Bengali, question mark. Okay students, section B. First one, I don't come here daily. Second, don't I come here daily. Second one, first, you don't go to school by bus. Don't you go to school by bus. Third one, first, they don't play a match every Sunday. Second one, don't they play a match every Sunday, ending question mark. Fourth one, boys don't do their homework regularly. Second one, don't boys do their homework regularly, ending question mark. Okay va. Fifth one, girls don't waste their time in the canteen. Second one, don't girls waste their time in the canteen, ending question mark. Okay, section C. First one, he does not live with his uncle. Second one, does not live with his uncle, ending question mark. Second one, first, she does not respect your teacher. Second one, does not she respect your teacher, ending question mark. Third one, first, Misa does not speak good English. Second one, does not Misa speak good English, ending question mark. Fourth one, first, her father does not work in a factory. Second one, does not her father work in a factory, question mark. Fifth one. First one, the gardener does not water the plants daily. Second one, does not the gardener water the plants daily? Question mark. At the section T, first one, Richa did not run very fast. Second one, did not Richa run very fast? Question mark. Second one, first, she did not give you her book. Second one, did not she give you her book? Question mark. Okay. Third one, first, he did not win the first prize. Second one, did not he win the first prize? Edit question mark. Fourth one, first, Somya did not help her friends. Second one, did not Somya help her friends? Question mark. Fifth one, they did not finish their work in time. Second one, did not they finish their work in the time? Question mark. Take page number 11, third Roman. Rewrite each sentence as first one a negative, second one as question, third one negative question. Okay. Second one, first, you did not forget his name. Second one, did you forget his name? Question mark. Third one, did not you forget his name? Question mark. Okay. Next, third one, first, he does not earn a lot of money. Second one, does he earn a lot of money? Ending question mark. Third one, does not he earn a lot of money? Question mark. Okay. Okay. Fourth one, first, he has not finished his work. Second one, has he finished his work? Question mark. Third one, has not he finished his work? Question mark. Fifth one, first, the clerks are typing letters. Second one, are the clerks typing letter? Third one, are not the clerks typing letter? Okay. Sixth one, first, the teacher was not angry with him. Second one, was the teacher angry with him? Question mark. Third one, was not the teacher angry with him? Okay. Thank you.